Good morning, this is Josie from Finest Laya. Today I am going to show you two types of herbal teas, non-caffeinated. So for the first one, this is spearmint and peppermint. Let's put it into our teapot. There. And the other one is ginger and peppermint. Let's pour our hot water. I'm gonna steep it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So in the last video, I showed you green tea with mint, spearmint, which is the Moroccan mint. For those individuals who cannot take caffeine, this is your alternative for mint tea. So as we have talked about in the past, the benefits of mint for our digestion and other upset stomach issues. And with the ginger, it serves the same. Ginger is also an herb that you can take to manage nausea. So let me stir the herbs. It's infusing nicely, very aromatic. Right there. Excuse me. So yeah, the green tea with the spearmint, the Moroccan mint, is just a very refreshing drink. But with the green tea, it has a little bit of caffeine. And just having the mint and mint with ginger, it doesn't have any caffeine, so you can drink it anytime during the day. And like I said, for individuals who either are allergic to caffeine or for some reason they cannot take caffeine, this is perfect for you. Okay, let's pour our tea. So first, I'm gonna pour the spearmint and peppermint blend. It's very aromatic. Now the ginger with peppermint. Put them aside. I'm gonna show you. The color is about the same right there. So aromatic. I'm going to flavor with honey. just a little bit color of the honey. This was harvested early in the spring, and the color is light. Stir this Spearmint Peppermint. And then ginger with peppermint. And now I'm going to call my husband to be the taste tester. Ned?
Yep.
Would you like to come and do a taste test? Say hello. Say good morning.
Good morning. How's everybody out there? I hope that you are enjoying a glorious fall morning, just like we are. The sky is as blue as it can be, and the leaves are as green as fall will allow. It's a delight. Anyway, nice to have you here. I understand we're going to have some tea.
Yes. So let's do first the Spearmint Peppermint tea. Okay. And let me know how it tastes. Tell our viewers your observation.
To all of you who grew up under the influence of Wrigley's chewing gum, let me tell you, this is just the mint that Wrigley found and made a fortune with. And you can experience it with tea. It's made from spearmint peppermint. It is so nice. It is so refreshing. And what I really like about it is that it's a reflection of the garden.
That's right.
We have a good bit of peppermint and spearmint in the garden. And any time of the year that you go to pick it or control it, as the case may be, you get this incredible aroma that comes up and just really, really lightens the day or the time that you happen to be picking or controlling. And the fascinating thing about it is, in the wintertime, after it's all died back and you go and you gather up a bunch of dead, dry peppermint, spearmint leaves, bushes, stems, whatever you want to call it, kaboom, you get it again. This most incredible, wonderful, sense-tickling flavor, aroma of spearmint and peppermint together. And it's all wrapped up in this little cup of tea. And on top of that, got some honey in it. And the bees worked on that.
That's right. He mentioned about the bees. The flowers from the mint is just an attraction for the bees. They'll love it.
They know a good flower when they smell it.
We also use this mint from the garden. We collect them and dry them for making our teas. So the next one is the ginger with mint.
It's very nice. It is a, well, you know ginger. You taste ginger, you sense ginger sort of on the back of your throat. You sense ginger sort of as it penetrates your nasal passages. It's really nice, and that is tempered with the flavor of mint, and it's very nice. We all have our preferences. I like the mint, the spearmint, the peppermint by itself. A lot of people really like the ginger with mint, and they go for this one. It's a very tasty brew, and it really highlights for you the fact that tea can be made from just about anything. And in this particular case, it is tea. It is 100% organic. It is from the yard, and it makes a really tasty way of clearing your senses. And for me, sometimes the day. Anyway, give it a go. It's a really nice way to experience tea. It's a nice way to get some good antioxidants into your system, and it will help your perspective. So have some, enjoy it, and
Cheers.
cheers. I'll pass it back over to Josie. You all have a really good day, and I hope your fall, wherever you is similar to this one. Take good care.
So we made two types of herbal teas, and you can try it yourselves. Get some tea, or if you have plants in the garden, either peppermint or spearmint, try to make some brew for yourselves. So this is all for now, and thank you for being with us, and we'll see you again next time. Take care, and bye.
Bye-bye.